Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Jack's storybook. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to fulfill young Jack's request in the game. We'll cover when and where to start this small but important quest, pinpointing several locations where you can find the specific book he desires. Completing this task not only helps a friend, but also contributes to your overall game progression. To begin this quest, you first need to complete the Fisher of Men mission. After that, simply approach Jack at your camp during the day. He will then ask you for a Penny Dreadful comic book. This request typically becomes available during Chapter 2 of your adventure. Remember, you only need to locate and retrieve one of these special books to satisfy his request. There are 4 distinct locations where you can find a Penny Dreadful comic book for Jack. One option is Otis Miller and the Black-Hearted Lady, found in a small house at Osmond Grove. Another is Wild West Heroes number 132, located on a nightstand at Downs Ranch. You can also find Otis Miller and the Boy from New York in the school ruins at Pleasance, or Otis Miller and the Arabian Prince at Clawson's Rest. Once you have successfully acquired any one of the 4 Penny Dreadful comic books, simply return to your current camp. Locate Jack and initiate a conversation with him to hand over the book. As a small thank you, he will give you a chocolate bar. Completing this request is also a step towards earning the Errand Boy achievement, which requires delivering 5 camp companion item requests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.